Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. I was very busy last night. 2 weeks of covering a high-profile trial. It took a lot away from a lot of stuff I was doing and I neglected. But today, at noon, we're going to address the not speech. They classified it as a speech, but it was actually a statement, as well as the Instagram post that was made by the blogger lady, who actually was posted on one of my pages. She posted on my page. One of the things I want to talk about at noon is about the misstatement of facts that was raised on that announcement or statement that was released. I'm also going to have some guests there. I would just say this. I'm going to plant one or two seeds right now. The media wasn't on trial. The government wasn't on trial. In addition, the judge instructed that jury in the opening of the case to not look at any media. So to believe the statement that was released and posted, you would have to suggest that the jury disobeyed the judge's order. And I don't know how the judge will feel about that when you have to go back to court next month. But we're going to talk about the statement, and we're going to talk about the post that you happen to make. I would just say that initially I had questions about the review of your attorney. But at this time, I really feel you were the train wreck in your own situation. It's unfortunate that you have diarrhea of the mouth when you know you have to go back to court. And also, I have tweeted that you removed videos about Cardi B. Unbeknownst to me, and thank you for the people that are sending me messages and receipts and everything. I appreciate that. What you didn't think people would find out was that you were using Cardi B's hashtag in your statement. How foolish do you think that is? So it's a lot of stuff people have sent me. It's also things that I've actually encoded from what you stated. Now, if you're attacking the media, you know the best response to that would be the transcripts and the deposition. Well, I doubt the deposition. Well, I won't say nothing yet because I'm gonna leave that part up to the lawyers. But it was your own words. You got to remember, it was your words that the jury heard. They weren't looking at my reporting. They weren't looking at it, any other reporters reporting as instructed by the judge. So to suggest that the media was lying on you was ridiculous. And something else I want to say, in the case of R. Kelly, you may have provided an opening for his appeal because his appeal is not fully filed yet. But just based on that statement, you provided him an opportunity. And at noontime, we're going to talk about that. So I want you guys to go to the YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. And we're going to talk about how the diarrhea of the mouth has created openings for several other people. It's just astonishing. I thought the trial was astonishing, but I think the aftermath of the trial, it says a lot. And at noontime, we're going to unpack everything you said. And so I just brought some visuals. So media, when you attack the media, White House credential, various media outlets, over 30 years of media. Now you've attacked the profession. You attacked the profession, and we had some other visuals that we hadn't released during the trial. And it's interesting that you have opened the door for not just myself as a journalist, but you name drop the New York Times, you name drop other media outlets. But when those stories that was done on you regarding the R. Kelly trial, they did not know that the testimony that you provided in your defamation case was filled with lies and emissions and all kind of just ridiculous things. They wouldn't have ran your story. I can tell you as a member of the press that if I knew then what I know now, it would be no coverage of you in any of my publications or any publications I'm affiliated with. So you kind of stepped in a big piece of waste when you did that. And people are sending me messages. Obviously, my reporting, in addition to others, but particularly my reporting, has went viral. But guess what? The defense to a lie is the truth. Remember that. The defense to a lie is the truth. And don't think that the people in the courtroom, for example, the onlookers that was reporting on it as well, and several of them have 2, 4, 5, 6 different degrees. And do you think they're making stories up? So at noontime, you guys are going to love the show. We bring in all the whistles and bells. Go to the YouTube at Hip Hop Inquirer and make sure you subscribe. Make sure you tell a friend to tell a friend. Because unlike that person, we're coming in with some real hardcore facts. We're going to talk about, we were just honing in on just that particular case. We were just honing in on that particular case. But you pretty much opened the door for a lot of different things. And you don't even realize that. And I get it. You want to do damage control, but your damage control is doing more damage. It's doing more damage. But you know what they say? A hard head makes a sore behind. So guys, I want you to make sure, go to the YouTube channel and subscribe. So I have two pieces to do. One on this person, and then also something else where we're going to talk about integrity. And we're going to address that very, very soon. But yes, you attack the media. You name dropped some very big publications. And you said it was a machine. It was a machine. It was a machine that you created, and you are benefiting off of that machine. So when you go to YouTube, which is a very big machine, you can't attack the same machine that you have been financially enriching yourself with. So let's talk about this. Let's really do a deep dive in your statement. Let's really do a deep dive in your statement. You know, like, you would think with a $3.8 million judgment against you, you would be quiet. Take a seat. And guess what? Now I'll say this. Now I'll say that at 12 o'clock. We won't talk about that until 12 o'clock. It's something else I want to talk to you guys about. Especially you. Especially you, the blogger lady. So guys, this video, I give you permission to share. This particular video, I give you permission to share. You can share this video, tell a friend to tell a friend, because this is going to be a really fun show. Guys, be there at 12 o'clock. And that's Eastern Standard Time. I'm Dennis Byron. Now I get my workout on before we do our show. Peace.